So we are building something.
क्यों आ जाता है इंग्लिश पे?
क्यों नहीं?
So what we are building is a community, one that helps you build, one where we document everything. But how did we get here?
Okay, context. We work with this organization called MU, which is a college, but a cool ass college, where every people is on to building something. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be interesting because the next move was to include us in the picture.
We came here to tell students stories.
And it was going good. We met a lot of cool founders doing very cool stuff, and it kind of blew our mind. But there was a big problem with this process.
The problem with telling stories of students in a form जब वो चीज़ already हो चुका है.
और पता है why couldn't we do that? Because we're not living their life. That was the whole fucking problem. But I'll tell you where I think we started pivoting from the idea of कि हमें सिर्फ videos बनानी है. एक दिन राजा और मैं बैठे हुए थे आधी रात को, एक दूसरे को पुराने गाने सुनाते हुए, कहानियाँ बताते हुए. And we shared how when we were making something, when we were younger than we are right now, and we were trying to pivot or make something, वो बहुत lonely decisions थे in our life. Sitting midnight in our own rooms, just कोई बात करने के लिए नहीं है, कोई कुछ नहीं है, और पेरेंट्स समझ नहीं रहे हैं, या फिर हम कुछ बनाना चाहते हैं पर बना नहीं पा रहे हैं. There was no one that we could actually talk to, rant to, get real fucking life advice from. Making an idea or making a film or bringing an idea to life or bringing an idea to a product, it's not an easy job. It's almost like एक वो होता है ना कि there is a pinnacle and then you come down and you crash and then you go up. I feel that's every single day for an entrepreneur. That's every single day for an ideator, for a builder, for a dreamer, for a filmmaker. That's every single day.
Between all these conversations, an idea struck to us. You know that feeling when you and your friend are talking about the same thing and a single thing comes in your mind and that's the exact thing that the other person is also thinking about.
Yep, that happened to us.
And the idea was pretty simple.
Why not build a place where लोग आके बैठे, वो लोग अपना काम करें, and we get to form a community जो साथ में काम कर रहे हैं, who are going through all the things. उसके हम वीडियोस बनाएंगे. हमें बस शुरू में इतना ही पता था, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं पता.
So we have a log line. We want ideators, we want dreamers, we want builders, we want people who have ideas and are actually working on their ideas, and we want all of them to come down to a single freaking room. एक single room, एक single space, एक single floor, एक single garage, where every single day these builders, these dreamers come from whatever walks they're coming from, and सब आकर वहाँ पे बस converge हो जाए. It's such a massive convergence of energy कि सब पागल हो रहे हैं, मतलब बावड़े हो रहे हैं कुछ बनाने के लिए, और हर रोज कुछ बना रहे हैं.
But there was a big problem.
We don't know if this will work. We aren't even sure if we'll be allowed to proceed with this. We're not even sure if this is anything just more than creative jumbled words put together to sound fancy, posh, and out of this worldly existential cinematic fluff.
We were telling someone our idea. They said, you know what, I'll give you one opportunity that comes very rarely. He took us to another room जहाँ पर we pitched our idea, and this dude loved our idea. What this meant was for our idea to be, you know, concretized, final. इसके बाद कोई no नहीं है. ये वो room था. We came back from that room. हम दोनों पागल हो रहे हैं. We're hugging each other, we're dapping each other. And then we decided कि, you know what, for our people who will be trusting us with this floor, हम कुछ करना चाहेंगे. So we call people who can come and tell us how did they make what they make. And the first person that came to both of our minds, it was the same person, Ali Gallup. Fucking hell, भाई. Ali Gallup पागल हो गए थे यार हम.
is the creator जो I don't know, this guy has been. वो एक नहीं होता है कि इसको देख के भाई वो मन कर रहा है कि फोड़ना है और कुछ बनाना है, कुछ ऐसी कहानियाँ बतानी है.
और मुझे ना जनरली ये लगता है, बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स जो मैंने आज तक करे हैं, बहुत सारी फिल्म्स जो बनाई हैं, मुझे हर बार ऐसा लगता है कि यू कीप बिलीविंग इन इट एंड यू कीप वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट, और कहीं ना पता नहीं क्यों वो मैजिक हो जाता है. वो मैजिक हो जाता है ब्रो. दैट डे वी weren't supposed to be in that room where we were. On our way back, we were not supposed to be thinking of the same creator that we were.
And this is very anti-brand or anti-corporate that a corporate does to give you permission to do what we will be doing. But we got it. Wow.
मुझे एक बार किसी ने कहा था कि to become a good writer, when जावेद अख्तर must have started on this journey of writing stuff, उन्होंने सबसे पहले 1000 बुरी स्क्रिप्ट्स लिखी होंगी. before he went on to that one show later. So essentially the idea is शुरू करो, start building, start experimenting, और वो 1000 बुरी scripts ना फटाफट से निकाल के ख़त्म करो.
This is the bad video that we'll be making. Ideally, this won't be the bad video, but this is something that we want to make for everyone out there to show that कि we are two naive people जिसको ये बनाना है anyhow. और क्यों बनाना है is a very different talk जो हम करेंगे बाद में, but बनाना है. Just we want to give out the energy that we have out to the world, and that's it.